Warga Patisi TV.
Kajingat beriu nak ada Jingkhynñiuh Jumai Khlaiñ bor ha Philippines kelaki menta syakan rep kendai Ngut. Jumai Khlaiñ bor hadu 0 kendai magnitude Jingkhynñiuh ha kapor kendai san kendai minmit ha kamit sengihat majai. Kikin hon yarap klara iki pongun ki Mynsaw Cebu Provincial Hospital ha Bogo. Ka National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council klapintip babarok Mynsaw kidan Spah sa punyongot bakidan arpu artli yeng pakidulan kibhe kibala Khlaiñ. Namar balabun palat ki Mynsaw bat bala khapnya ke hospital la syia dararu palau jong ke hospital bat najing sumar ya kibriu. Namar baga Jingkhynñiuh klalong ke ishir kai ki bor sarkar klapintip bakila bandang don syu kibriu ki basakut ha Jingkhynñiuh ki yeng kesem ya ka ba kim pala bansei namar ba ka jingpen khut kadang ya chakman. Hakar ke Jingkhynñiuh Jumai ki surok ru ki laang bat bontli ki yeng ki bam Khlaiñ ki la orpat.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.